once you're on the path, you're already a victor. Now, under the same guru, there is appearance of conflict between the same people, different people in the same path. Then one is a failure there. Does that mean that person did not have a guru?
No. See, if it appears that someone has not succeeded, you should know every failure is a step towards success. It is not yet their time, but they will still move forward. They have learned something. In life, there is nothing called failure. Only in the events, on a short-term gain, you may look, oh, this is failure, this is success. On a long term, in a bigger picture, that's not the case. See, when a baby walks, it falls 10 times. Some baby may fall 20 times before it starts walking. But that you can't call it failure. Eventually, everybody will walk.
So Guru is on both the sides of the two conflicting people.
Yeah. Even in the tough time, the Master was there with them, helping them to learn more and walk better.
So does that mean there is no escape from the spiritual path?
According to me, no, but people think.
Gurudev, if knowledge is already within us, but we still need the Master, what exactly does the Master do and how does he do it?
The filament is already in the bulb. It just needs electricity to flow. Like that. A bud has everything it needs to become a flower. But still a bud needs little nurturing. It needs some more water, some more sunlight, then it will blossom.
Gurudev, can mumukshatva come through effort or is it a blessing?
Mumukshatva means seeking comes with awareness. Or seeking comes with when you are fed up of what you have. And when you think things are binding you. When you realize everything is a bondage, then the desire for freedom arises in you. It has to come from maturity.
What is the best way to express gratitude to the Guru?
That your heart will tell you, I want to express this way, then you express that way. In fact, it is inexpressible. If you ask me, however you express it, still you find it's not the best way. If you feel that, then it is the best way.
Gurudev, I have one personal regret. Why didn't I get you earlier in my life? So much difference has happened. And then I have a regret for others because I find so many friends and people I know who really want to come, but there's some mundane things that put them off. What to do?
First of all, there are many different people on the planet. Our job is to, like a farmer, what does he do? He has plowed the field and he sows the seed. He does not go and pick whether each seed has grown or not. So that much only we can do. You know, there is the proverb, no, you can take the horse to the water but cannot make it drink. In the same way, all that we could do, we could give people an access to the joy, the wisdom that we have enjoying, and beyond that, it is their karma. We have to leave it to them.
But then, does every disciple who comes to a Master reach the destination?
In this, there are three categories: the mild, moderate, and the intense one. The intense one will get it soon. The moderate will move. The mild one we may take couple of more lifetimes. But anyway, everybody will be on the path. Maybe may not be couple of more, maybe in the very next itself.
And in the context of the Guru and disciple relationship, is there something that makes a Guru happy and is there something that disappoints him?
No. The Guru doesn't get, he never takes appointment nor disappoints.